Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to move Windows 11 taskbar from center to left. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to move your taskbar from center to left, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply right click on your taskbar or an empty place on your taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. And now it will open in your settings. You just have to scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors. Click on this, expand it. Now here you might see the option of taskbar alignment. So simply click in front of it to the center. So just click on this and then click on left. Once you have done, you can see that your taskbar is now moved to left side. So you can also change this again if you want to. Just click on this option again, then click on center, and it will be changed again. So in this way, you can easily change your taskbar alignment from center to left or left to center. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.